When I first started practicing law, my first case was a Chapter 11. And you know, I grew up in a household where my father was a CPA, and I liked business law, and Chapter 11s are intriguing, and they're really neat to do. What the idea of a Chapter 11 is that businesses that have, a business that has everything in place to conduct its business, those pieces in that place to conduct that business and sell that product, whether it's a service or whether it's making furniture, those pieces there together have more value there together than they do if they were sold in an auction and the money given to the creditors. So quite frequently, the creditors want to cash in on the future stream of income created by that business rather than being left out in the cold by an auction. So a lot of those creditors will take a nickel or a dime on a dollar because otherwise they're not going to get that nickel or a dime, and something's always better than nothing. So if you put a plan together with a history of the organization that shows it's got a history of profitability, if you put a plan together that shows that the company has the pieces together that they need to make money, that plan can put the creditors. You may have a supplier that gives you lumber, you may have a supplier that gives you varnish, you may have other suppliers that provide different things. And if you have created debt to those suppliers, you can diminish that debt or eliminate certain classifications of it by selling the future income stream and classifying those creditors in different classes, some of whom will vote for that plan because something's always better than nothing. So the creativity that goes into a future business plan that eliminates some debt and minimizes other, that saves that business and allows it to continue to operate, is a wonderful thing to do for a business, and it really works. I've made 2 businesses continue to go out of 3, and so it's interesting, it's complex, and if you have questions, I'll be happy to answer them.